Hey, my name is Leanne, and I'm fascinated with helping women navigate how to eat, move, and care for their bodies. This has taken me on a journey from vegan, keto, high protein to everything in between. I'm a small town holistic nutritionist turned 3-time international bestselling author turned functional medicine practitioner, offering telemedicine services around the globe to women looking to better their health and stop second-guessing themselves. I'm here to teach you how to wade through the wellness noise to get to the good stuff that'll help you achieve your goals. Whether you're seeking relief from chronic ailments, striving for peak performance, or simply eager to live a more vibrant life, this podcast is your go-to resource for actionable advice and inspiration. Together, we'll uncover the interconnectedness of nutrition, movement, sleep, stress management, and mindset, empowering you to make informed choices that support your unique health journey. Think of it as quality time with your bestie mixed with a little med school so you're empowered at your next doctor visit. Get ready to be challenged and encouraged while you learn about your body and how to care for it healthfully. Join me as we embrace vitality, reclaim our innate potential, and discover what it truly means to pursue healthfulness. Hello and welcome to another episode. We are hanging out at the top of a mountain in British Columbia. We drove up to the top to the summit. It was a little bit dicey, but thank goodness for my all-wheel drive Sprinter. Goose is his name, has been just a total trooper throughout this whole process, and I'm learning how to do off-roading, and that's super fun. Hopefully I don't break anything, and my dogs are dead to the world. We did a huge hike today, and they're totally passed out, non-responsive, which is exactly what we want out of all of this. Now, if you were following me last year in April 2025, Coconut herniated her disc really bad. Had to go through all the things, and I definitely learned a lot through that process. In fact, it's so fun. Most strangers I meet now, their dog has just herniated their disc. And I'm like, oh my goodness, I know all the things. Get your notes on your phone ready because I'm about to blast you with all the resources so you don't make the same mistakes that I did. So Coconut's actually been doing so well. She went on a 4-hour hike today, which I never thought she could do again. She was jumping over big logs. She was starting to bunny hop there at the end, but she was just like pulling, ready to go, wanting to be off leash, but I have to keep her on leash. Otherwise she'll run and hurt herself. So she's been doing so good. And since they are snuggled up under the bed, just chilling and the breeze is blowing through, and it is a gorgeous day today. Oh my goodness. Just incredible. I am looking at this mountain range in front of me that's just incredible. And so I thought now is a perfect time to hang out with you and just chat with you, tell you what's going on in life, where I'm going, and why the heck this episode is called Summer Break. Well, I started this podcast, I don't even know how long ago, like forever ago. We're on episode 582. So 582 weeks ago, I started the show, and that's a lot of weeks. I don't even know how to do the math. What is that, 10 years? I don't even know. That's a lot. And I've never taken a break. I have not missed one episode, and I need to take a break. I need the summer off. And this has been something that has weighed on me over I would say the last 6 months. And there are many reasons why I'm making this decision now. And I'll just kind of take you through it because I think ultimately, the goal with Healthful Pursuit has always been to share my pursuit of health. Duh. And part of that has been discovering boundaries and learning how to say no and learning when to say yes, learning when to leap, learning when to pause, learning when to listen. And I think especially now as a believer, understanding that nothing can change if you don't make space and, open up yourself to the Lord's will. And that has been a major theme of a lot of the individuals that I've been meeting on this trip have been believers. Funny enough, like every stop I've met a believer, and we share our testimonies together, and every single time people have said, there's so much more that the Lord is calling you to do. And I see that, but I can't make space if there is no space. Most people I speak with feel like they have something deeper going on, like they've tried diets, supplements, cutting things out, adding things in, and their bodies still feel stuck. So the functional mind goes to parasites, mold, heavy metals, chemicals, and they're definitely not wrong. And the problem definitely needs to be approached, but sometimes we're approaching it all wrong because root cause work is not just about throwing random protocols at the body, it's about a proper sequence, about opening up drainage before detox, about supporting the gut and the immune system before going any deeper, about moving through this in a way that your body can actually handle. And that's exactly why I created the Root Cause Monthly program. This isn't about the one-off advice or guessing your way through it. This is a guided, clear, structured process with phases and protocols and actual direction on what to do and when to do it. You'll get access to 5 phases and over 18 trainings with the exact framework that I use in my practice with my one-on-one clients. But more importantly, you're not going to do this alone. You're inside with a group of people that have been going through the same process, asking questions, sharing what's working, and I'm there guiding you weekly so you're not spinning your wheels. It's $49 a month, which makes this one of the most accessible ways to actually do root cause work properly without paying for one-on-one support. If you're feeling stuck and you just know that there's something deeper going on, this is exactly where to start. Go to healthfulpursuit.com/coaching, click start now, and choose the group option to join us. So I think now is the perfect time because for the next June, July, August, September, October, 6 months, I'm going to be traveling in the van, and I need the space to determine what that next step is. And this podcast, let me tell you, every episode takes me about 2 hours to plan, 1 hour to record, and then prepping. I would say probably like 4 hours each episode. And unfortunately, now this is how things are changing in the online space. People don't want long form content. Like, there are a select few of you that will listen to this whole episode and have been with me for a long time and can't even fathom that a podcast would be going away or taking a break, TBD, unsure. Come back in September to find out. But the majority of people want short form, quick content. And my resources have been really geared toward this long form because I enjoy the long form, but I'm not growing, I'm not connecting, and I'm losing time, energy, money. Unfortunately, because podcast partners no longer want to do podcast work, I am funding this podcast. I think 70% of this podcast is funded by my own money. And I can't keep going in the direction that it's going. And unfortunately, the ads that I'm doing on my own of like my root cause group and affiliate programs, they're just not converting enough that I can make it make sense. So I need to step back and kind of determine, where am I needed? How do I want to show up? How can I support? And how can I not use my own money to do it? Like, that's kind of where I'm at. I was going through all of the tax things and expenses and all that stuff. And Healthful Pursuit was never supposed to be a like full-time gig. When I started my blog back in 2000 and what was it, 2010, I feel like, it was really just a side project, and it became this big thing where I had employees, and then the Google Medic update happened and I had to let go of all the employees, all of the contractors, because there just wasn't enough money coming in to then writing books and going on tour. And I've always rolled with what's in front of me. And I feel like what's in front of me now is take a pause, see what comes of it, see what people are saying, and then assess where I go from here and what makes the most sense. Because a lot of my resources now, time, energy, money, have been put into creating content for Instagram, because that's what people say that they want. And that's how we connect with people, is more on Instagram. So if you don't follow me on Instagram yet, now's the time to do it, at Leanne Vogel, LeanneVogel. And you can follow me along. I post a mixture of travel content, plus health content, kind of a mixture of both, because I love both so very much. If I could be a full-time travel blogger, I don't know, I think that would drive me crazy, because some of the things I just don't like sharing, and it's just mine. And same with health stuff. Like sometimes I just don't want to share all the things. So I try to do both at about 50%. So it's a 50-50 split.
Most of us think that strength and resilience comes from discipline. Basically, train harder, push more, stay consistent, but that's not really where it starts. At the core of everything that we do, every workout, every step, every bit of recovery is your cellular energy system, and that's driven by your mitochondria. These are the energy factories inside your cell. And here's the problem. As we get older, they don't work as well. They get damaged, they're less efficient, and that's when we really start to feel it. Things like lowered energy, slowered recovery, strength not responding the way that it used to. Instead of adding more workouts and more stimulus, we need to support the system underneath it. And that's where MitoPure from Timeline comes in. It contains urolithin A, which helps your body clear out damaged mitochondria and replace them with healthier ones, so that your cells can actually produce the energy the way that they're supposed to. And that's the shift. It's not just about building muscle, it's about powering it. They've spent 15 years researching urolithin A with human trials showing real improvements in muscle strength, even without changing exercise. If you're thinking long-term strength, energy, resilience, this is the level you want to be working on. And right now, Timeline actually just dropped the price on MitoPure. It now starts at $79, which makes it a lot more accessible if you've been on the fence about it. Head to timeline.com/KDP to check out MitoPure. Again, that's timeline.com/KDP.
And so my plan with the podcast is that I'll launch this episode on June 16th. And then I plan to be back at the beginning of September to just tell you what's going on, what the format's going to be, what we're doing. And so if right now you want to set your calendar for September 1st, which is a Tuesday, to check back on the show and see where we're at, I'll have had a couple of months to just marinate and think about how I want to show up. And if you want to share with me your thoughts, what you need from me, what you're hoping for, feel free to message me on Instagram. That's usually the best way to contact me, at Leanne Vogel, or you can send me an email by going to healthfulpursuit.com/contact and check that out. And you can send me a message there. Currently, the contact form isn't being sent to my email, but I will ask my husband, Kevin, to fix that so that it starts showing up by the time this episode goes live. It's funny, right before I left for Canada and loaded up the van, my computer and my phone wiped all my email, and I haven't been able to add that email back to my email box on my computer. So it's so funny how much I rely on my husband for like the simplest technology things, where I'm like, I just can't figure this out on my own. You do it. But now that I can't see him and I'm not with him, everything is more complicated. And so you can hear just that I want to provide the very best for you. And I know that I'm not operating at my very best right now. Not because there's something, crazy going on. It's just, I'm not sure that this medium is the best way to make the impact that I want to make. And so I just need time to figure out what that is. So I appreciate your patience with this. I can't even understand how we've made it to episode 580, whatever we're on, 82. That's just crazy to me. I mean, I think back to the people that I've interviewed and traveled and recordings that I've done. I remember when we were living in the RV for a while there in 2017, I was booking hotel rooms in various places because at that point there wasn't a Starlink. Like, we couldn't do recordings and interviews. So I would drive to these hotels and use their Wi-Fi and record all day. And then we'd travel more. Like, it was just oh my goodness, this podcast has been through so many things, so many names. This is the third name. We started off with No Sugar Coating, then went the Keto Diet Podcast, now Healthful Pursuit. And just, wow, just incredible. The types of partners and supports that we've gotten over the years, just amazing. But now it needs some time and some fresh air to just figure out what we're doing. So I appreciate you listening up until this point. Please, please. I think my biggest fear is that you forget about me and you don't come back in September to find out what's going on. So if you could just set your calendar reminder for September 1st to listen to the show, I'll have an update there. And in the meantime, the best way to connect with me is on Instagram at Leanne Vogel. You can also find me on Facebook if you enjoy that, Healthful Pursuit, or also Leanne Vogel. That's my personal page, though I don't share much on my personal page. But those are the two ways that you can stay connected with me. And as I start to marinate through like what kind of content I prepare and all of that, I've been putting a lot of effort into my Instagram with my reels, especially, and just being really present in my stories and trying to provide as much value as possible. So if you do have that medium, please follow me, please engage with me there, send me messages. I check my messages every day. And if you want to support me, the best way to do that is to either join my root cause group. You can find out more by going to healthfulpursuit.com/coaching. That's the best way to support me, and also get support for yourself, because that's super fun. And when you get to the coaching page, there's an option for group coaching. It's $49 a month, and you can go through root cause protocols that way. There's also macro guidance as well that I'm doing still. I'm not currently taking on new clients for root cause work, but those two options are available for you there. Another way to support me is through any of my affiliate programs. So you can go to leannevogel.com/make for my top affiliate program. I do get a small commission from purchases there, but it does help. And I'll just kind of assess over the summer and see like what's possible, what we're thinking. And please send me a message on either Instagram or that contact form, healthfulpursuit.com/contact. And just tell me what you're thinking and how you're feeling about this shift. And I will be back September 1st to kind of share what's happened over the summer, what I've been thinking, how I want to structure things, and moving forward. So be sure to set your calendar, and hopefully I will see you on Instagram, where I'll be sharing what I'm eating and where I'm at. Okay, I'll see you in September. Bye. Thanks for listening to the Healthful Pursuit Podcast. Join us next Tuesday for another episode of the show. If you're looking for free resources, there are a couple of places you can go. The first to my blog, healthfulpursuit.com, where you're going to find loads of recipes. The second is a free parasite protocol that I've put together for you that outlines symptoms, testing, and resources to determine whether or not you have a parasite, plus a full protocol to follow to eradicate them from your life if you need to. That's available at healthfulpursuit.com/parasites. And last but certainly not least, a full list of blood work markers to ask your doctor for so that you can get a full picture of your health. You can grab that free resource by going to healthfulpursuit.com/labs. The Healthful Pursuit Podcast, including show notes and links, provides information in respect to healthy living, recipes, nutrition, and diet, and is intended for informational purposes only. The information provided is not a substitute for medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment, nor is it to be construed as such. We cannot guarantee that the information provided on the Healthful Pursuit Podcast reflects the most up-to-date medical research. Information is provided without any representation or warranties of any kind. Please consult a qualified health practitioner with any questions you may have regarding your health and nutrition program.